do, baby boo? It's your girl, Ebonique Luxe. Anyway, so yeah, this is the what video is this going on? Oh, this is my prep with me for vacation vlog. Woo woo, so excited. Right now I'm just picking up my hair. I'm gonna pick up my hair, and yeah, that's all I'm doing today. So I'm just gonna bring y'all in here with me if I can film. I don't know if I can film in here. I look, oh my god, I look crazy. Anyway, yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna bring y'all in here with me if I can, and let y'all see this place. So yeah, all right, see ya. Hello. Is it okay if I film in here? Is it okay if I film in here? Okay.
Make sure you tag us.
Okay. I do already. Hi.
Hey.
So I'm at Private Label. This is the place where I always come to get my hair. I get all my hair from here. And so, like you guys already know, I'm getting ready to go to San Diego, Cali for the first time. And so I gotta get some hair. And I haven't told y'all the color or nothing yet. So y'all gonna be surprised. But as y'all can see in the background, it's Liddy in the city, baby. It's Liddy in the city. I was just like, let me just come on today since y'all gonna have a sale. And I done got that little gift, y'all. Look at that. Okay, so now.
So you're gonna put your name at the top. You're gonna put your original ticket time here. You'll see all of the products and the inches in the first column, and then the price in the second. In the third column, you're gonna write the quantity of which one you want, how many of each item that you want, and then give it to me or somebody behind the counter, and they'll shop it for you.
Okay, cool.
And then we have most of the textures, styles, and lace on display as well.
Okay, perfect. Okay, is it? Oh, no, I just gotta stand to the side. So, okay, y'all, I'm gonna fill out this form she gave me. And I guess I'm just gonna select what hair and what inches and all that kind of stuff that I want, and then go from there.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. To me, you love me right down to my knees, and whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes, even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Hi. Right on me.
Okay. So it looks like you have a 24 inch. Do you want to take a look at it?
Yeah, because I want to see, I just want to see the different lengths if I need, which one I need. And these are 130.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is a 24.
Okay, I already see I need the 22 for what the style I'm going for.
Okay.
Yeah, this too long. Yeah, that's too long.
You know, straight is a little bit longer anyway. So it's like maybe a 24 and a half.
Yeah, I'm probably, yeah. Can I see the 22?
Yes.
Normally my last wig I just got that I took off was a 30 inch. So I'm taking it up. I want to bring it up some. Hey y'all, I'm back. So this is still, I guess, a vacation prep. And I was thinking about making this a video all on its own, but I'm not, because I'm scared as hell, y'all. I can't even hold you. I'm scared as hell. But anyway, what I'm doing is I am about to get colon hydrotherapy. So I'm gonna get colon hydrotherapy. I'm gonna get cleaned out, y'all. I'm gonna get cleaned out. And I'm nervous. I'm nervous as hell. Look at this stuff. Okay, so I'm just gonna bring y'all with me while I do this real quick. Right now, I'm in the room. I'm gonna get undressed or whatever. Let me see. Okay, so I'm gonna get undressed or whatever. And I have to put the fucking thing, bro. I gotta put it on my booty. I gotta put it in my booty. Okay, anyway. I'm talking about. Okay, y'all. So I'm on the thing. I'm on it. And this shit, wow. First of all, for me, trying to put that thing in your booty hole, that shit is not the easiest thing to fucking do. It took me a minute. It took me like a good 10 minutes. And so now I got it on and it's just filling me up. And she told me, let it fill me up. It's a cool, gentle flow. She said, let it fill me up. And when you feel like you need to use the bathroom, just like, I guess, push like you getting ready to use the bathroom. Ow, what the fuck? Oh shit. And oh my god, hold up, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I'll just hit my little button because I want the heating pad. It's like my stomach is cramping. I'm trying to. This shit. Yeah, I want me a heating pad. I haven't seen anything come out yet though, y'all. I ain't seen nothing come out. So, anyway, I'm here for the next 30 minutes. I'm waiting on her to bring me a heating pad, and then I'll see y'all when I get up out of here. Alright, y'all, well, I'm done. And the scale say I weigh the same, so I don't know. I don't know if this was worth it. I mean, I don't know. I don't know how to tell if it's worth it or not. And I will say this, y'all, the lady, so they give you a button, right? SOS, they give you a button. And she told me before she left out, like, oh, push the button if you need me. Okay, bet. So I wanted a fucking heating pad. I wanted a heating pad, so I presses the button. But I press it immediately. Like, as soon as I got in and I felt that water go in my stomach, my shit was like cramping crazy. So I pressed the button. Why she came 5 minutes before it was time for me to get up and put the heating pad on me? So I only got 5 minutes of heating pad time. But anyway, hold on. Oh yeah, I don't know. And then also I felt like I wanted because she let me in. Let me forget, y'all. Let me forget. So, and while I was in here, when I was in here being left for dead, I called Junior too. He didn't even answer the phone either. So everybody let me for dead. Everybody let me for dead. Okay, y'all. So I got all my shit together. Look at this ponytail. Oh my god, I can't wait to do my hair. But anyway, so I'm finna get up out of here. Damn. Okay, now I'm finna get up out of here. I'll see y'all at my next appointment. Hope y'all can hear me. Damn. All right, peace out, y'all. I look like the Purge, that Purge mask.
Everybody be making fun of how I take down.
Nah, do your thing, though. Get it how you live. Shit. As long as it come out like it's supposed to come out.
Yeah. That's all that matters.
Okay, y'all, I'm back home. I just got done getting my lashes done. As y'all can see, these is lit. These is on point. She did what needed to be done. I'm so happy. I'm so glad it turned out good. They're not too long. It's in the cat eye. And I just feel like it fits my face better. I'm pale as hell right now. So I feel like it look a little funny, but I still feel cute. I would have fur, you know. I gotta so the next appointment is I gotta get my nails done tomorrow, and I'm getting a wax tomorrow. So that's the last, well, I guess so. Yeah, that's the last couple things, you feel me, that I'll be doing. So yeah, so I'm gonna film me getting my wax and getting my nails done tomorrow, and that'll be the end of this vlog. So I'll have this vlog out sometime next week, the beginning of next week, maybe even on Sunday, if I get it edited in time. And then the next video is gonna be me dyeing my wig and installing my wig, so be on the lookout for that. But yeah, anyway, see you guys at the next appointment.
I be so sick of you niggas, you're contradicting. I be so bold myself, can you come and fuck me? I feel so ordinary to make you around me. Treat me like all the right, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no steady with you, you know you my plug, and I can't shake this habit, no. I've been out, baby, baby, reminiscing. Baby, you're missing. Permission, missionary getting boring, can't switch positions. Hard to say your soul, you don't ever listen, no, no. I've been out, baby, baby, reminiscing, baby, you're my